we do ever. Nigel, Angela Maiden, Van Dyke. What we do, he come. Like it was like somewhere.
But he know him.
But I'm concerned about because he doesn't really eat. So I mean, they said if it's
I
hungry.
should say that be the reason why he will talk. Like if like I'm not there, like he will talk.
Oh, then maybe that's the reason he's telling me that.
That's why he sat down quiet.
But I'm a chef.
No, but in the morning he was saying people just come and wake up at dawn. Like he was saying, like random people just wake up and come and cook something and eat and things. So they have to lock the fridge.
When they lock your fridge like how?
This is really
so let's fix a padlock or something.
But there is a code. They have lock. They have lock on lock.
Then wait, so he should go and get a padlock and come and
So lock the fridge. That'll be the same question I asked.
I said people very like. Did you see?
But was there still enough?
Yes.
Oh, the still was enough.
the still was more than enough.
And then.
So if we had more yam, like a whole match. Do you know if we had more yam?
Then okra too. Grind.
Okay.
Do we have actual pepper?
Why okra dey your mind like that?
No, listen, they hear me. Go if you do small.
Don't make your waist. I'm telling you something.
I know. I think you know they chop them off. So we go if you do small okra, then pepper.
Everybody, so you give some people pepper or some people okra?
If your choice, if you want pepper, we give you.
What if everybody say okra?
I can.
If you want okra, we all not say the okra no be enough. So if you want spoon, like 1 spoon you go get.
Why you no go wait till then bring new stock, then we add down do plenty like that?
But what is the new stock?
It will come. Today is Friday.
It comes on Friday.
Friday, Saturday.
I want to stay in the kitchen.
Friday, Saturday. You stay again.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
I want to stay in the kitchen because there are some things I don't
But you said that 5.
It's
Yeah.
really the
How do you like?
The 5
Will you stop?
Somewhere.
You see, as at the park, sometimes at the park they feel 16. So at the park, maybe 2 go left and 2. That's the 2 that I just tried. I won't stop, girl.
Give me some way. But me, I'm not.
No.
Young day, bro.
But I
because
think
even
you
when I was
is like
pregnant,
Yeah.
before you left.
Yeah.
So you don't know. But
Yeah,
you are still here. People
Yeah.
You say someone
Why
go
is
there,
that
go
like
take their but like full punishment to panel for push
I
up
was
plus
only
water
this
go
condo
bed.
that
Now you know realize it's somebody better.
you know there's
Some people better than you.
Yeah, so yes, people go
the
there.
time I pulled it
Hang
through.
out between Naya
And then
as a
yes,
result, it's not a good bed. Them all the bed.
Like
So
a
it's
baby
this Naya the boy that bed no candle. Everybody the bed for
I've
different
been
method. How can you do it?
I will be. You don't know me.
You change your mind.
Yeah.
A small cat cry.
so I'm strong again.
Yeah,
You change
strong.
You change your mind.
One doesn't know I'm strong.
Yeah.
You don't know.
As your man to know, what do you mean? As 17 months.
I was told to elect someone to do the fridge, to clean the fridge. Larissa opted to do the fridge, but today she told me say she no go fit do. But the way the team make, I no go fit elect anybody because I feel like I go fit do it myself. So I clean the fridge. But we open the fridge, make everybody see how the fridge they look right now.
Don't get them,
Then the freezer.
Wow.
perfect.
Whose food is that? Who saved the food for them? Bro, you no go fit put food for the fridge inside.
Just came out, order from above.
Order from above. You no go fit save. You can save it anywhere, but you can't save it in the fridge. Bro, you can't save it in the fridge because the fridge was dirty. You saw it. Nobody was willing to clean the fridge. No.
Why don't you ask Big Mama that?
Exactly, bro.
I think you should be able to put your food in the fridge, but there should be a time limit of how long it stays in the fridge so that it's not.
No, Seven, honestly, it's not him. Chicken.
I'm not saying it's something.
Yeah, the order is coming from above.
So you can't put no food in the fridge.
No food in the fridge.
Unless you're going to clean it.
If you want to eat, you have to take the amount you can finish.
No, understand.
You can't
She
save the
hasn't-
rest
she
in the
hasn't
fridge.
eaten.
Who hasn't eaten?
Naya. So she put her food in the fridge.
It can't stay in the fridge for overnight.
That's
Then
what
she has to
I'm saying.
finish
So
it
it should be a
tonight.
period of time. 'Cause